click on the image at the top, go to Edit. In Magic Studio, scroll to the right until you see Magic Edit. Now this feature is for pro users only, so if you're on the free plan, you'll have to upgrade to one of the pro plans to be able to use this feature. So in this image, we see a dog running somewhere. So if I want to change this image, let's say I want to change the dog into a tiger running. If I click generate, now my image has changed from a dog to a tiger running. Now this looks pretty good, but if you want to make further edits, you can come back to the prompt and be more descriptive as to what you want your image to turn out to be. So the more descriptive your prompt is, the better results you'll get. So if you're satisfied with the results, you can keep it. And this is my new image now. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.